Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage inspired kitchen decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottage inspired kitchen decorating is a warm, cozy, and charming style that brings the feeling of a peaceful countryside home into your home. It focuses on comfort, simplicity, and a slightly vintage, lived-in look, rather than something modern or perfect. Here are some practical and beautiful tips to create a cozy, cottage-inspired kitchen, especially perfect if you love that warm, vintage farmhouse feel. Add natural wood touches. Use wooden trays, cutting boards, or shelves. Even a small wooden stool or rack gives a cottage vibe. Slightly worn or rustic wood looks even better. Use open shelves beautifully. Display clusters with the spices or grains, pretty cups and plates, small plants or flowers. Don't overcrowd, keep it simple and neat. Bring in flowers and greenery. Use fresh flowers if possible, or dried flowers for a vintage look. Small indoor plants also work great. Even one small vase can change the whole mood. Choose light, pretty curtains. Go for floral prints, check patterns, soft cotton fabric. Keep them light to let sunlight in. Use vintage style containers, mason jars, ceramic pots, or old tins. Store tea, sugar, or utensils in them. Mix different shapes for a cozy, collected look. Add warm, soft lighting. Use warm toned lights instead of bright white light. A small lamp or hanging light can create a cozy feeling at night. Keep it slightly imperfect. Cottage style is not about perfection. A little mix of old and new makes it feel real and lived in. Keep it clean but not empty. Avoid too much clutter, but don't make it look too modern or plain either. Balance is key. Simple, cozy, personal. Use baskets for storage and decor. Wicker or can baskets add instant cottage charm. Use them for vegetables, towels, or napkins. Create a cozy corner. Make a small corner for tea or coffee setup. Bread box plus chairs. Add a crochet mat or wooden tray underneath. Decorate the walls softly. Add small vintage style frames, botanical or floral prints, wooden signs. Keep it minimal. One or two pieces are enough. Hang everyday items. Use hooks or rails to hang mugs, wooden spoons, small pans. This saves spaces and adds a rustic cottage look. Add tiny herb plants. Grow simple herbs like mint, coriander. Place them near a window. Functional and beautiful. Use matching or coordinated chairs. Choose chairs in similar tones like glass, white, or soft colors. Label them simply. Handwritten looks very cottage style. Display your favorite items. Don't hide everything in cabinets. Show pretty plates, teacups, handmade items. If you love it, display it. Keep countertops styled, not empty. Instead of a plain counter, add a tray with a jar, a small plant, a cloth. Simple but cozy adjustment. Add a small mirror, optional but beautiful. A small vintage style mirror can reflect light, make a small kitchen feel bigger. Let natural light shine. Keep windows clean and open. Avoid heavy, dark curtains. Add a seasonal touch. Change the small things with seasons. Fresh flowers in spring, warm tones in winter, light fabrics in summer. Layer textures. Combine different materials. Wood plus fabric plus glass plus metal. This makes the kitchen feel rich and cozy. Style your window area. Place a small plant, a lace or crochet curtain, a tiny chair or candle. A styled window instantly gives a soft cottage charm. Use trays to organize decor. Group items on a tray. Jar plus plant plus candle. Wooden or vintage trays work best. Keeps things tidy but still decorative. Add a lived-in touch. Leave a few everyday items visible. A teacup on the counter. A folded cloth. It should feel natural, not stretched. Distressed or aged finishes. Slightly worn paint or wood looks perfect. You can even DIY lightly sand a wooden item for a rustic look. Imperfection is beauty in cottage style. Use soft scents. Add gentle natural scents like vanilla, lemon, fresh herbs. It makes the kitchen feel cozy, not just to look it. Keep frequently used items pretty. Choose beautiful versions of everyday things. Soap dispensers, spice jars, oil bottles. Functional items become decor. Add layered rugs or mats. Use small cotton or woven mats. Try layering. on under another slightly, adds warmth and softness underfoot. Style chairs or stools. Add a small cushion, a crochet cover. Even a simple chair can look charming. Add tiny painted details. Paint shelf adds a small furniture in soft pastel tones. Add subtle personality without overwhelming. Create a mini display shelf. Dedicate one shelf just for decorative plates, teacups, crochet items. Think of it as your pretty corner. Add a vintage style clock. A small wall clock or tabletop one gives that old countryside kitchen feel. Hide modern items cleverly. Keep plastic or modern packaging out of sight. Transfer items into glass jars, ceramic containers. Keeps the aesthetic clean and timeless. Use small repeating elements. Repeat similar colors or materials. Same type of chairs, same color accents. Creates harmony without looking too perfect. Keep refreshing little details. Change flowers, clothes, a small decor every few weeks. Keeps your kitchen feeling fresh and alive. Create a tea or coffee ritual spot. Use a small tray or corner for teacups, sugar jar, spoon holder. Add a tiny cloth or crochet mat underneath. Makes everyday moments feel special. Keep a fresh touch always. Even if not flowers, use green leaves, a bowl of lemons. Something fresh is lively kitchen. Display a signature item. Choose one standout piece, a teapot, a vintage jar, a handmade crochet item. This becomes the heart of your kitchen. A perfect cottage kitchen is not expensive or perfect. It's soft, personal, and full of small joys. Thanks for watching the video.